Hey guys, just a snowstorm started in Toronto, and you can see that this is all white and there's supposed to be 15 to 20 centimeter of snow. So the street is actually got all covered by snow. The street cars are still running and camera may not be able to show, but it's like snowing heavily right now. So that's the park right there. And you can see right there is the airport, which is the Billy Bishop Airport in downtown Toronto, but you cannot see because it's all like covered by kind of fog and snow. And if you look at my balcony, then look how much is snow right here. So if I put my finger, it feels like almost like 1 inch already. So it's supposed to be 15-20 centimeter by tomorrow. So I think it's going to snow all night, and you can see that the snow and it's like snowing right now. So but I think the camera is not going to show you that it's snowing, but yeah, it's like really heavy snow. And I see some people are enjoying walking in the park with their dogs, but some cars are still on the street. And I have seen salt trucks. They're putting salt on the road so it doesn't get slippery. I cannot stay out too long. It's like my head is getting the snow right now, so it's like let me see if I can show you. Okay, it's because it's not going to show on camera, but you can tell that it's a really bad situation. So tomorrow we'll see how it looks, but I think it's gonna be all covered by snow tomorrow.